Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the media and a short script so text-to-speech sounds natural. First, import the clip and trim to the exact moment where narration should begin. This prevents awkward pauses. Once done, tap text, paste, or type your script, and position it on the timeline where audio must match. Make sure to use simple sentences and punctuation to guide cadence. Text-to-speech reads literal punctuation and line breaks, so this step controls pacing. Now you enable the voice and perfect synchronization. After selecting a voice, preview the spoken clip and listen for rushed words or odd pauses. If timing is off, drag the text clip handles or split the text into multiple boxes so each line has its own timing. This improves natural rhythm and emphasis. Also try different built-in voices to match mood, because voice timbre affects perception. Make incremental edits and preview after each change. Finish by reviewing and exporting a draft to confirm consistent playback across devices. If everything lines up, add captions, tags, and post settings, then publish. If the TTS audio drops or won't generate, make sure your app is updated, clear cache, or restart the phone, because corrupted cache or permissions often block generation. As a last fix, retype text without special characters or emojis. Simpler punctuation helps the TTS engine parse and speak correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.